The next concept, ordering of fractional inputs. Ordering means we have to say which one is a bigger fraction and which one is a smaller fraction. So, ordering means we have to compare, so smaller and bigger, greater and smaller. So this is nothing but the ordering. So, ascending order, descending order, all this comes under ordering. So, here ordering of the fractional inputs. Suppose first of all, first we have to write the fractional values of this, all these 3 circles. Here this circle is divided into 2 parts, in that one part is shaded, that is 1 by 2, shaded portion is 1 by 2. Here this is divided into 3 equal parts, in that one part is shaded, it is 1 by 3, shaded part by total parts. So, in this circle is divided into 4 equal parts, in that one part is shaded, it is 1 by 4. 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. Suppose you assume that all these are your pizzas. So, suppose in the first case, if half of the pizza you ate in the first case, you make 2 parts, in that one part you ate, and in the second case you make 3 parts, so in that one piece you ate. So, it means first you ate, so first part is bigger than, or otherwise first part what you ate, that is more than the second one. Why? Here you are making 3 parts. If you are making more parts, then you are getting less. So, here you are getting less piece if we compare, so with the first one. Okay. Here the first one you are getting a good quantity, means bigger quantity than the second one, and if you compare the second one with the third one, again you get less. So, here you are making 4 parts, means again you are getting less than the second one. It means half, here half is more, half is greater than, half is more than 1/3, and 1/3 is greater than 1/4. This is a small part, this is bigger than this, and this is bigger than this. Okay. It means half is greater than 1/3, 1/3 is greater than 1/4. So, it means this one is bigger than this and this one is bigger than this. Okay. Now, here these 3 rectangles are given. So, in this rectangle, so here 3 parts are shaded out of 4, that is 3 by 4. Here 2 parts are shaded, it is 2 by 4. Here one part is shaded, that is 1 by 4. Here shaded portion is greater than this and shaded portion is greater than this. Okay. It means 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 4 and 2 by 4 is greater than 1 by 4. So, here 3 by 4 is greater than this 2 by 4, this 2 by 4 is greater than this 1 by 4. By seeing only we can say that this shaded portion is bigger than this and this shaded portion is bigger than this. It means this value is bigger than this and this value is bigger than this. Okay. Now, here see, here we have 2 types of questions. So, what 2 types of questions we have? Here in the first one, numerators are same, in all these 3 fractions, numerators 1, 1, 1, and denominators we have different denominators 2, 3, 4. If numerators are same, so then we have different denominators, then how to say which one is a bigger and which one is a smaller? Remember one thing, when numerators are same, then in the denominator which one is a smaller, that one is a bigger, which one is a smaller, that one is a bigger, when numerators are same, 1, 1, 1, here the numerators are same. Here in this 2, 3, 4, 2 is a smaller, so this one is a bigger, and after that bigger than this is 3 and bigger than this is 4. So, in that way, so we can decide which fraction is bigger and which fraction is smaller. When numerators are same, so we have to check denominators. In the denominator, which one is a smaller, that one is a bigger. Okay. The second case, here in the second case, here 4, 4, 4, denominators are same. In the first case numerators are same, there in the numerators are same, but in the second question denominators are same. When the denominators are same, then we have to check numerators 3, 2, 1. In the numerator, which one is bigger? That one is bigger, the same. So, no change in this. The bigger numerator is having a bigger value, smaller numerator is having a smaller value when denominators are equal. When numerators are equal, so which denominator have a less, that is a bigger value, that is a bigger value. So, these two are vice versa. Okay. These two concepts you have to keep in your mind. Okay. Now, in exercise 3rd, so write greater than, less than or equal to symbols we have to write. So, here the first fraction is 2 by 6 and 4 by 6. Here the denominators are same. When the denominators are same, so we have to check numerators. 2 is less than this 4. It means 2 is less than, this means 2 by 6 is less than 4 by 6. We have to check numerator. In the numerator, which one is the less, that fraction is a lesser value. This is greater than symbol, sorry. So, less than we have to write. So, first we have to check the fractions. So, what is there in the fraction? Numerators are same or denominators are same. So, according to that we have to do. Here the denominators are same. So, it means we have to go for the numerator. In the numerator, so which one is having the least, that is the least value. Okay. Now, the next one. So, here 2 by 5 and 2 by 8. Here these two fractions, in these two fractions numerators are same. When numerators are same, in the denominator, which one is the least, that one is a greater, that one is a greater, means 2 by 5 is greater, 2 by 5 is greater. When numerators are same, in the denominator, which one is the least, that one is the greater. 2 by 5 fraction is greater value. Then here 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Numerator is 1 and here also numerator is 1. Here the denominator is 2, here the denominator is 2. So, both are same, numerator and denominator. So, it is equal. In this way we have to decide greater than, less than, equal to. Okay. Next, question number 2. Arrange the following in ascending order. Ascending means increasing order. Ascending order. Ascending order. So, how to arrange this in ascending order? Ascending order. Increasing order we have to arrange. So, before going to start, increasing means from smaller to bigger we have to write. Smaller to bigger. So, we have to write. Okay. So, in this all numerators are same. If numerators are same, then we go for the denominators. In the denominators, which one is a bigger, that one is a least value. Here the 10 is a bigger, so this is the least value, 2 by 10. 2 by 10 is the least value and less than this 10 is 8, 2 by 8. Less than this 8 is 7, 2 by 7. Less than this 7 is 5, 2 by 5. Less than this 5 is 2 by 3. In this way we have to arrange in ascending order. So, whenever numerators are same, then we have to check the denominators. In the denominator, which one is the greater, that one is the least, that one is the least value. 2 by 10 is the least, bigger than this is 2 by 8, bigger than this is 2 by 7, bigger than this is 2 by 5, bigger than this is 2 by 3. Okay. Now, arrange the following in descending order. Descending order we have to arrange. Here all denominators are same. If the denominators are same, so in the numerator, which one is a bigger, that one is a bigger. Descending means decreasing order, bigger to smaller we have to write. So, this 5 is a bigger, 5 by 5 we have to write. So, bigger than this, smaller than this 5 is 4, 4 by 5. Smaller than 4 is 3, 3 by 5. Smaller than 3 is 2, 2 by 5. Smaller than 2 is 1 by 5. In this way we have to write. Okay. So, this is the method to compare the fractions and arrange in ascending as well as descending order. Next, the concept of addition. Addition of fraction. So, how to add when fractions are given, like fractions are given. So, here 1 by 3 means, so one part we have to shade, one part, so we have to shade this one part, 1 by 3, here also 1 by 3. If you add 1 by 3 and 1 by 3, so then what it is? If you add 1 by 3 and 1 by 3, it is 2 by 3, it is 2 by 3. When the denominators are same, just you have to add the numerators, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 by 3. Your answer is 2 by 3. What is your answer? 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is your answer. Two parts you have to shade. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is 2 by 3. By 3 we have to take one time, and 1 plus 1 we have to add 2. Okay, only numerators we have to add. Don't add this denominators, 3 plus 3 6, no. So, here 6, no, it is not correct. Only you have to add 1 plus 1 when denominators are same. Okay. Now, here 1 by 5 and 2 by 5. 1 by 5 means one part here, one part is shaded part. Here 2 by 5 means two parts, shaded parts. Two parts we have to shade. 2 by 5. 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5. 1, 2, 3. How many parts? 3. 3 by 5. 1 plus 2. We have to add numerators, 1 plus 2, 3. By 5 we have to take one time only. 3 parts we have to shade. Three parts we have to shade. 3 by 5. 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5. When denominators are same, how to add? Just you have to add the numerators and write your answer. Okay. Now, in exercise 4, add the following. So, then how to add 1 by 4 plus 2 by 4? So, we have to add numerators, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 by, so we have to take 4 one time, only one time we have to write. 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 is how much? 3, 3 by 4. This is the answer. Now, how to add? Here numerators we have to add 5 plus 1 plus 1 by denominator we have to take one time. Don't add denominators 9 plus 9 plus 9 27, don't add. So, only one time we have to write. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 by 9, 7 by 9. So, just we have to add the numerators 5 plus 1 plus 1, 5 plus 1 plus 1, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 by 9, 7 by 9. Okay. Next, in the next bit, addition, add. So, what we have to add? 2 by 6 and 3 by 6 we have to add. What? 2 by 6 and 3 by 6. These two fractions we have to add. Then how to add? So, first we have to write the first fraction 2 by 6. First fraction 2 by 6 is given, and means we have to add, means plus sign we have to take, plus. Then 3 by 6. Second fraction we have to write. Here in these two fractions, the denominator is 6 by 6 by 6. If equal denominator is given, so just you add the numerators. So, what are the numerators? 2 and 3. Add 2 and 3, 2 plus 3 by, so the equal denominator you have to take once. So, okay, the same denominator, so we have to write once, the common denominator, so we have to write once. So, sum of the numerators divided by common denominator, sum of the numerators by common denominator 6. Then 2 plus 3 is how much? 2 plus 3 is 5, we know, 5 by 6, 5 by 6. This is the sum. Okay. In the next, 1 by 10, 2 by 10 and 5 by 10. These three fractions we have to add. 1 by 10, 2 by 10 and 5 by 10. Then how to add all these three fractions? First we have to write the first fraction 1 by 10. So, this is the addition. So, we have to use plus sign, plus. Then second fraction 2 by 10 plus third fraction 5 by 10. Then after that what we have to do? So, we have to add numerators. Add numerators. What are the numerators? 1, 2 and 5. 1 plus 2 plus 5. Sum of the numerators by common denominator. Common denominator 10. Then now add 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 8. The sum is 8 by 10. Simple. So, just we have to add the numerators, find sum of the numerators divided by common denominator, we have to write one time. Okay. Do not add all the denominators. Whatever the common denominator is there, so that we have to write once. Okay. So, this is the addition of fraction. Okay. This is the concept how to add. So, when the denominators, common denominator is given in the fractions. Okay. Just we have to add the numerators, means sum of the numerators we have to find, divided by we have to take common denominator once. Okay. Now, the next concept, addition concept is over and exercise sums we did. Now, subtraction of a fractional numbers. How to subtract when fractional numbers are given? Addition concept we did. The same addition concept is there in subtraction also. Addition and subtraction, both the concepts were same. So, in the addition we add numerator, sum of the numerators. We find their numerators sum. Here, so we have to find the difference of the numerator. So, that is only the difference. In the difference we have to find the difference. In subtraction means difference we have to find. So, in addition means we have to find the sum. Okay. So, here two fractions are given, 5 by 8 minus 3 by 8. Then how to subtract these two fractions? So, we have to find the difference of the numerators. What are the numerator here? What is the numerator? 5 and other numerator is 3, 5 minus 3. By common denominator we have to write. Difference of the numerators 5 minus 3 by common denominator we have to write. Common denominator we have to write once. Okay. Then after that, so we have to find the difference 5 minus 3. What is the difference 5 minus 3? 5 minus 3 difference is 5. 5 minus 3, 3 fingers. If you close 3 fingers, then how many fingers left? 2 fingers. It means 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 by 8. This is the difference. This is the method to find the difference. Okay. Now, the students, in exercise 5th, the first question given, subtract the following. Subtract the following. So, then see here, the first question is 5 by 6 minus 3 by 6. So, in this question we have the common denominator 6. Then how to subtract? How to subtract? First we have to find the common difference, means the difference of the numerators we have to find. So, what are the numerators? 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 by common denominator we have to write. 5 minus 3 by 6. 5 minus 3 is how much? So, 5. In this 5 fingers, if you close 3 fingers, then how many fingers left? 2. It means 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 by 6. The next. 7 by 11 minus 2 by 11. So, difference of the numerators, that is 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 by common denominator 11. In 7 fingers, so in 7 fingers, if you close 2 fingers, 7 minus 2, then 5 left. 7 minus 2 is 5. 5 by 11. Okay. Now, 5 by 16 minus 3 by 16 means difference of the numerators, that is 5 minus 3 by common denominator 16. 5 minus 3 in 5 fingers, if you close 3 fingers, then how many left? 2 fingers. Then 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 by 6. The next one, difference of the numerators 7 minus 4 by common denominator 12. 7 minus 4, 7 minus 4 is 3, 3 by 12 common denominator. So, in this way, so how to find the difference? So, we have to find the difference of the numerator divided by the common denominator, we have to write once. Okay? This is the method to find the difference, means subtraction of the fractions. Okay? Now, one more bit is given. So, in that bit what he is asking, subtract 1 by 4 from 1 by 4, 1 by 4 from 1 by 4. It means from number we have to take first. From this number we have to subtract this number, means first we have to take from number 1 by 4 minus this 1 by 4, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So, then difference of the numerator 1 minus 1 by common denominator, 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 by 4, 0 by 4 is 0, the answer is 0. Now, 1 by 5 from 4 by 5, we have to subtract 1 by 5 from 4 by 5. It means first we have to take 4 by 5, 4 by 5 fraction first, minus 1 by 5. Then after that, difference of the numerator 4 minus 1 by 5 common denominator, 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 by 5, 3 by 5. Now, here 3 by 8 from 5 by 8, 5 by 8 from 5 by 8, from this number from 5 by 8 we have to subtract 3 by 8. From this number we have to subtract 3 by 8, 5 by 8 minus 3 by 8. Then after that, difference of the numerator 5 minus 3 by common denominator, 5 minus 3 is 2, 2 by 8, 2 by 8. Now here, so 2 by 7 from 5 by 7, we have to subtract 2 by 7 from 5 by 7. So, it means we have to take 5 by 7 first, 5 by 7, from 5 by 7 we have to subtract 2 by 7. So, then after that what we have to do? We have to find the difference of numerators. So, numerator difference, that is 5 minus 2 by common denominator 7. 5 minus 2 is 3, 3 by 7, 3 by 7. This is the method to find the difference. How to find the difference? So, difference of the numerators we have to find divided by the common denominator we have to write. So, this is the method to find the difference, means subtract. Okay.